National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ward County in north-central North Dakota, western Bottineau County in north-central North Dakota, Renville County in north-central North Dakota, eastern Burke County in northwestern North Dakota, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles west of Sherwood to 12 miles northeast of Bowdels to 5 miles east of Powers Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenmare, Mohall, Bowdels, Lansford, Sherwood, Green, Maxbass, Antler, Cooley, Tolly, Norma, Lorraine, Grano, Niobe, Coteau, and Ekman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.